Welcome to our channel. If you want to YNAB Connect bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly managed and you achieve the best results. Step 1. Log into your account and navigate to the Settings or Account Management section from the main dashboard. Step 2. Look for the connection or linking options in the menu. This is usually found under Settings, Integrations, or Account Preferences. Step 3. Click on the option to add or connect a new account, service, or payment method. You'll be presented with available connection options. Step 4. Select the specific service or account type you want to connect from the list of available options. Step 5. Enter the required credentials or information for the account you're connecting. This may include account numbers, login information, or authorization codes. Step 6. Follow the authentication process to verify your ownership of the account being connected. This may involve logging into that service or confirming via email. Step 7. Review the permissions and data sharing settings. Understand what information will be shared between the connected accounts. Step 8. Confirm the connection and wait for the verification process to complete. You should receive a confirmation once the connection is successfully established. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.